C for Chinmay Rama, D for Dasharatha Rama, E for Ishwara Rama, F for Falguna Rama, G for Gunatmaka Rama, H for Hanmanta Rama, I for Vinaya Rama, J for Jagadabhi Rama, K for
కళ్యాణ రామ.
Kalyana Rama, L for Lakshmana Rama, M for Maryada Rama, N for Narahari Rama, O for Omkara Rama,
పి ఫర్ పావన రామ.
P for Purushottama Rama, U for Kushalava Rama, R for Raghukula Rama, S for Sita Rama,